Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a flip through of my completed school year insert for first grade for my daughter. This is the school year. Oh, you know what? Usually I stamp the year. For 2024 to 2025, her first grade album. I do have a video of putting this together for the first couple pages. And I think I filmed 2 catch-up videos in order to get this whole insert done. So they will be linked. I think I have the playlist called School Year Album or School Year Insert, something with school. I will have it linked in the description box below for you for sure. Okay, so the front cover, I did cut out the window. It's in that process video. There's a piece of transparency, but it's like a pocket page. And some die cuts from... I don't know which one it was from. And then this is a pair of metal dies in an alpha that I have in my collection. Just backed it with paper. First day of school photo. Journaling is on clear sticker paper. Still first day of school. Information, and then I always take an overhead shot of the things that she chose. So everything was like Hello Kitty this year, and you know what she's into. You can see there's unicorns, there's rainbows, her composition notebooks, and having glue sticks and crayons. And then these are tags from her new uniform shirts and probably this dress, and then a couple of emails that came home for first grade. This was the welcoming. I usually send a note to the teachers just to describe my daughter's personality and things like that, just to get to know her real quick, telling her that she's rather shy, but she'll pay attention to the rules. So I always give one to each teacher. So that's just here. This one was a design team layout, speaking of, but the picture had fallen off and something else was here, but I think I left this just as a filler page. I always have a currently sheet in here. This one, it's a currently of all the movies that was on repeat this school year. So we have all the Avatar movies, Zombies 1, 2, and 3 on Disney. Descendants, that was huge because her Halloween costume was Descendant character. Sandlot and Hocus Pocus. I have this repeating photo every year now too, since last year. I mean, I say repeating like I've had 10 years under my belt. It's only the last 2 years. So in kindergarten, I made this denim jacket. It's a medium for adults. And the whole idea is that each year I'll take a picture, kind of like her first day of school and last day of school, with her slowly growing into it. And the idea is hopefully by senior year, the jacket shall fit. And we add 1 to 2 new patches on it each year so far. So the first year and then the second year, etc., you'll see. Here's a story about my daughter's tooth extraction. She had a shark tooth moment going on in the beginning of the school year. A brief story about doing hairstyles. I think I was saying how I'm only good at ponytails and pigtails and a simple braid. But this year we took Pinterest photos and saved them on my phone, and she would pick her hairstyle so that it was a little bit different. And not so, I called it, not to say boring, but you know what? In the end, she just likes wearing her hair loose or in a ponytail, and that's it. But it was just a funny story about the school year. Another story, briefly about Miss Novoa. So within the span of a month of school, my daughter fell in love with her teacher. And then on that 4th week of school, budget cuts occurred and they let go of her teacher, and then her class had to be redistributed amongst the rest of the first grade classes, which was devastating. So this was I hate to say it, the bullshit note that went home about all of that I just am keeping. And then this was the last day that they had with her before they had to go into new classrooms a month into school. So it was definitely a hard start of the year. This is a flip up. This paper pad, I believe it's Little Things, I think, from Simple Stories. So it's a flip up to show grandparent night, which was the beginning of the school year. And then under here, I made a flip up talking about they're practicing code reds at school. Here, it's an extra, this one because it's the second one. This is the student book fair. I did this one as a design team layout for Spiegel Mom Scrap. So all of the sequences are from her shop. Unfortunately, this calendar year, I think she did close up her shop. So it was a privilege to always showcase her beautiful sequin mixes. So that was me volunteering the book fair. We had a hurricane come through Florida, and we had no school for a week. No, a little less, maybe 3 days. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend, and there was no school. So it's my little talk about keeping everyone calm for hurricanes. These are all my volunteer badges. I volunteer a lot, and actually I didn't finish that one. I usually come back to this page and have a talk about everything that I volunteered for and how it's a privilege to be able to volunteer my time. And I was invited again to the PTO breakfast, which is a very intimate thing. Like, they only invite the parents that volunteer enough. So it was only like maybe 12 of us at that dinner, at that breakfast. Just a few of her pictures that I'll save in here. This was part of the catch-up series, so we did a trunk or treat. So this is when we all went her school's trunk or treat, and we just dressed up as Evie and Mal from Descendants, her bed decorated for the holidays. And then I volunteered during the fall to read books to her class, and then we did all these sorts of activities for the fall. I put one of her pages of join the family and her cousin Lucy that comes over, her school photo, her ID badges are in here. The turkey disguise project is always a fun one to have. She's done this project a couple times. Well, is it always been? Yeah, it's always a turkey to just, to dress them up so that they don't get eaten for Thanksgiving. Snapchat filters, just a fun activity that we usually do together. I could probably have this once a month in this layout, but just to kind of dote on the fact that we love doing it. For her birthday this year, we didn't have a party. We took her for a weekend at Legoland, which was so fun to do, to have an intentional family weekend. And one set of friends joined us too, which are friends that also have kids her age, that they're best friends. So that's this layout. Then it's about her 7th birthday. This was a layout I did for Coco Daisy. Then we completed a whole year of Home Depot free workshop. So we went from last calendar year to this calendar year, so December, and since January started of 2025 we have continued on. So she is just so good at building, and this has just been such a fun project. So it's been these are all collections of different months, and they're not in order at all either. I just kind of printed 2x2s and then just made them into this layout, and these were cut out of my Silhouette Cameo to make it look so cute. I just did this one page with the border of like kind of the highlights for the Merry Christmas season. I do December daily every year, so all of the detailed stories per day are in that album. So this is just like the highlight reel, but to make a nod to it in here was my intention. She started hip hop dancing in January, actually. So after, and how we had to encourage her to do something after school. Like before we had done a couple years. Well, has it been 2 years? Ballet. She didn't like soccer. She doesn't like the sports. She doesn't like gymnastics. She didn't even pick clubs this term. So this is what she selected because we found her TikTok dances. So that was her hip hop dancing that she did. 3 movies that we watched within the December, January time that had came out. And believe it or not, her grandma took her to see Wicked, and she's watched it again with the other grandma. I have still not seen this movie, is my point. I took her to see these two, but I still have not seen Wicked. Her 100-day project, we had to make a new one this year because her older t-shirt of 100 Days of School doesn't fit. So our little story about that. She had a very lovely Valentine's Day, and then it's one of her Valentines that she gave out. Everything was squishmallow. And so it's a story about her Valentine's Day. This was a story that she is now in a booster chair, so it's just straight journaling, no photo. She had a Black History Month project, and we did Simone Biles, so everything is printed on a journal card that I tucked behind this photo. Then for the opposite side, she did get like most improved in reading, so we have that award in here. Oh, actually, I'm missing journaling here and here. Haha, it's almost done. You know why? Because I haven't printed the sticker paper out. So sticker paper journaling is here on her 3 field trips she had this year. And then this will be a flip out to hold the journaling, the receipts. And that's why this is here. For the second time that the book fair came to town. So that's why that's there. Oh, so really it's almost a complete flip through. But I have it written on the computer. I just haven't printed it out on sticker paper because a few other projects are on that page. I did this project for Layle By Mail, showing off the new Alpha, And so she, once again, had teeth extracted. She just doesn't lose her teeth naturally. They all become weird. So we had another tooth extraction. And now she's missing her front teeth. And this was the note back from the tooth fairy. And then this was a bookmark. She made a bunch of, they had a market day. And we found these bookmarks at Hobby Lobby. And she painted and decorated. We have stickles on them, if you can see the sparkly. And what was the story? Oh, we made like 6. But for market day, she only needed 5. So then I got to keep one. And so she let me, no, she chose that I would keep this one. She liked the other 5 better. And of course I can use it because I read a lot. But I just like the memory of it. So I just keep it in here. Then this was a recent video. So we just had her dance recital. And so this is just her dance sticker. Whenever she went to class, she got stickers in this little booklet. The kids love stickers. And then this was my volunteer pass for the event. So I just sandwiched it there. Last day of school. Yeah, so last day of school, this is always a page. And then I had decorated my car to pick her up, which was a nice little tradition that I can do, hopefully, for a few years around. And then we did a nice little selfie. And then it finishes off with just some random stickers and or tags from clothes and stickers that we used just in the bed. It was like a catch-all. Like whenever I had a sticker from thing, I was like, put in there. But even here, you can see that we have a small size shorts and then it's a medium shrink resistant short. So she grew that year too. So you can see her clothes size too. That's actually kind of nice. Nice little observation on me. So size 6, size 7. So you can see where she's at. And then that's the insert. These go into the Heidi Swap Storyline Chapters binders. So that is what these are. This one is the kindergarten one. There is a flip through of this one on my channel and the stories. And so then you take out, and actually, do I have any of these extras over here? No. Okay. I usually take them all out because only 2 fit in here. And now for next year in 2nd grade, I will start I'm just trying to find the center, a new binder for them. So that'll be fun. And I did buy, like, I think I have 2 in my closet or 3 of these because I have the intention to obviously do this project every year as long as I am able to. And so only 2, look how chunky they get, 2 fit in here. When they give you like 9 dowels to have 9 notebooks, whoops, I'll never get 9 in here. So that is the school year insert. So I actually will update the book plate, and that is my conclusion for 1st grade. So stay tuned. When school starts, I will definitely set up a new booklet for 2nd grade, and probably a week into school, you know, when I have the first day of school photos and things like that, it'll slowly get made. And then we will carry on with this ongoing project for me. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you are inclined to do so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.